Hey everyone, my name is Joshua Cade. I'm Acquisitions Librarian at Longview Public Library, and today I'll be showing you how to use Google Meet, the free meeting software from Google. To use it, all you need is a Google account, and then you can either access it through a web browser on any device or download it from the App Store. And once you get ready, you open it up and it comes up to a screen just like this, giving you a few different options. If we go up to the upper right hand corner here, you have different speaker options. The top one has it come out of your device's speakers. The second one, which is available on mobile devices, has it come out as if you're talking on the phone. And the last one just turns off any audio being broadcast out of your phone, like if you're using like if you're just presenting and you don't want anyone else's audio coming in on your end. Over here, there's some settings you can do for privacy stuff, and you can switch accounts. The microphone mutes everything. The video thing disables video. And down here, you have the option to either punch in a meeting code to access another meeting, or you can punch new meeting to start one. So let's do that. When it brings it up, you get this link here. You can give that link directly to people, or at least the little code at the end there, and they'll be able to access it from web browsers and various other things there. If we go to share, I can go on and share it through different ways. I'm going to do email here. I'm going to share it with one of my coworkers here and another email account of mine, and shoot them the invite. And now they'll get the invite in their emails, or I and myself and my other coworker, because it's going to be two of me and one of her on here. It's kind of weird when you think about it, but you can do that. And they just simply need to access the link. And when someone tries to access it, you can have the option of either denying them entry or admitting them. And when they're admitted, they will be on. And their video can come in and everything, and their audio, and you have the options to, hey Leah, and you have the options to go in and either switch who is your main person coming up here, see who you're looking at, and you can either mute them for everyone, or even kick them from the call, so that no one else can, in case they're like a troublemaker or something, because you can post those links publicly, and you do have options to deal with that. You also have text you can do. If you go down to the bottom here, you can, send words through there in case you want to have like you're a presenter and you want other people to be able to comment, but you don't want any of their video or audio coming through. And you can also just go over to the little information thing there to share the Google Meet link again or get the meeting code. And that's about all there is to it. So thank you all for watching.